Hello everyone, first we're going to take some hair at the back and joining them with rubber band, then taking hair from both the sides and doing the same step, then taking the remaining hair and making two braids out of it. Next we're going to take 4 braids made of colorful rubber bands, then converting the remaining hair into 2 ponies, further into braids and joining them to the rest of the braids. Next, we're gonna take all of the hair and then converting them into 3 ponies, taking this ribbon and then adding it at the top ponytail, further converting the pony into 2 braids and joining it with the rest of the hair. Then taking the ponies at the side and converting them into braids as well and then folding them into half like this and it's ready. Next we are going to take the hair and then dividing it into 4 ponies, 2 at each side. Then we're going to take the side ones, folding them once and converting them into braid, passing them to the opposite sides and joining them to the rest of the hair. Next we're going to take 3 ponies, taking the top one and then converting it into some hair strands and passing it to the other side like this and adding some colorful rubber bands. When this pattern is ready, we're going to join the ponies into one. Next we're going to start by taking all of the hair and then converting the hair into 2, then making one ponytail at one side and grabbing second side, and then we're going to start making this colorful braids and then making the final one, further folding them out into buns. Next we're going to start by taking a ponytail at one and then braids at the sides, converting the ponies into 2 braids and then joining it with the rest, further making 2 ponies, one at each sides with the remaining hair. Next we're going to use this headband at the top of our hair, then grabbing one side of hair and making this braid with the help of this rubber band and then joining it to our final braid and folding it into half. Next we're going to take 4 braids, 2 at the top and 2 at the sides. Then we're going to take the top ones and then folding them like this into this beautiful bow pattern and adding this clutcher. Next we're going to take this high ponytail and then dividing it into 3 parts. Then we're going to take the side parts and then folding it to the middle one and keep on adding some rubber bands till the braid is ready, and now you can see it looks so good. Next we're going to start by taking some braids at the top, joining them together into one like this, and then you can see your hairstyle is completed and looks so beautiful. Let's move ahead towards the next one. Here we've taken some hair at one side, then we're going to make a ponytail by taking some hair, taking the remaining hair and making 2 braids out of it. Now taking the pony and then converting it into a simple round shape bun and adding this beautiful rubber band to it, and it's ready.